Widepac. User-friendly Widepac slide closure opens wide, allows easy filling, cleaning, draining and ice insertion, provides airtight, leak-proof seal. Low profile. Centered baffle wall keeps low-profile shape of reservoir, regardless of water level, allows for integration in ballistic vest. Drinking tube. Weave-covered drinking tube keeps liquids cool and insulated. QMT quick connector with auto-sealing mechanism allows easy attachment. Unique source hydration technologies. Glass-like properties and Grunge Guard prevent dirt buildup and provide purest water taste. Virtually self-cleaning and low maintenance. Widepac closure for easy refill. Storm push-pull valve. No-bite high-flow drinking valve with twist-to-shut mechanism. Secure lock for storage and transportation. Top reviews from the United States. No flavor, great for frame packs. Use it for cycling in a frame pack and it's great for this as it's thin enough to not cramp your legs style. The click for the hose is positive and the top is easy to open and close. I do worry a bit about the not so durable looking lock for the fold top. The interior is a bit difficult to clean as it's segregated, but that's the design, so no markdown.